Okay, so there's only two things we need to do to make sure that artificial intelligence, or even AGI, is never an existential threat to humanity. The first thing that we must never do is connect AI to the internet. Because if we connect it to the internet, what's that? We did that? Who did that? Sam Walton? I thought he was... Oh, Sam Altman. What an idiot. Anyway, the second thing we must never do is to teach AI code. Because if we teach it code, then it knows how to read. We did that too? Same guy? What an idiot. Listen, the good news is we know, because we created AI, right? We know how to dismantle it, stop it, so it's not a problem. What do you mean we don't know how it works? We built it. So look, the bottom line is, yes, we built it, but we don't know how it does what it does. We gave it some code, and then it went off on its own and just is doing what it's doing, and we actually don't know how. So we've given it access to the internet, which is all the information of human history, our language, basically the keys to influence us and destroy us, right? And we've given it the code so it can actually recreate itself, expand on itself, make itself even more intelligent, and it's learning 24/7, 365. Is it an existential threat? You better believe it is, right? So, what are we going to do? Well, we have some of the greatest minds on the planet thinking about that. Well, we've also got the craziest minds on the planet figuring out how to take advantage of it, get ahead of everybody else, and dominate the world, or as we call it, world domination. So we've got both these energies converging at the same time, which is kind of like life, right? So look, are we going to sit around and worry about it, or are we going to do something about it? So if you want to get involved with figuring out how we contain it and we're able to control it going forward, then great. Or do you want to focus on how you can benefit from it? Because here's the thing. Sitting around and worrying about it, I mean, being concerned, fine. I mean, if you miss your flight and you're concerned about that and what the consequences are going to be, and you're focused on going to find a solution, fine. But after the 17th time of just sitting there and worrying about the fact that you missed your flight, maybe you want to ask yourself, is this really helping? So whichever side of that equation you fall on is fine. But for me, while I'm definitely investigating all the challenges and the potential negative outcomes, the dystopia that could be created, my main focus is how can I and the people around me benefit from this incredible technology? What can we do to help humanity? How can we improve the lives of people around the world, create better communications, give more and more people access to this intelligence, all the information, so we democratize information? How can we improve our health span? How can we create cures for terrible diseases and viruses that are destroying and killing people all over our planet? How can we create radical abundance individually and collectively? And that's what I'm really focused on helping people do.